Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on Reminders Sync in iCloud so your data follows you. Next, create a dedicated school list and give it a clear name like Chemistry 101. Once done, add main items for each assignment and immediately use subtasks to break a task into actionable steps. This keeps progress visible. Make sure to pick a default alert behavior so you don't forget a deadline. You now assign due dates and specific times to each reminder so deadlines become practical prompts. Once set, use repeat rules for weekly readings or monthly reports, and tag priority levels to highlight urgent work. Also, add notes or attach class PDFs and links for quick reference. That saves you search time. Make sure to use Siri for hands-free entry, integrating with Calendar so your schedule. To finish, review today and scheduled views each morning to plan focused work blocks. You should share lists with collaborators and assign specific reminders when group tasks are involved. That reduces confusion. Once done, archive completed items and adjust notifications so you get timely prompts without overload. If a reminder vanishes, check iCloud sync status, device filters, and list settings. Often re-enabling sync or signing out and back into iCloud resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.